With one of these top-rated wireless speakers, you can listen to your music anywhere. When you want to listen to music in different parts of your home or outside in the garden, there's no need to become tangled up in a web of cables. You can easily take your music with you everywhere you go by making an investment in a nice Bluetooth speaker. The choice of devices is greater than ever, and some, like the finest smart speakers, even allow you control them with your voice using Alexa and Google Assistant. These are our favorite Bluetooth speakers. All the links mentioned in this review video are in the description below. Number 5. Bose SoundLink Micro. In our roundup, this little portable speaker is the lightest. It delivers when it comes to bass, which is something some larger portable speakers struggle with. It has pretty great sound. Although it lacks a built-in voice assistant, we appreciate that it can be used as a speakerphone to answer calls and that it allows you to communicate with your phone's voice assistant. However, the battery life has been compromised due to the strong bass. It now only lasts up to 6 hours, which is only about half as long as other Bose speakers. It connects to Bluetooth. Its battery life run up to 6 hours. Its Bluetooth range is 9 meters. With dimensions of 9.83 by 9.83 by 3.48 centimeters, it weighs 290 grams. 4. Sonos Move. The Sonos Move works best with other Sonos equipment. It can connect to your current multi-room system thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi. If you're linked to the same network, you may play music from any area in your home. With the voice assistant, you can even utilize the Wi-Fi to check the weather or the news hands-free. Despite being 3 kilograms in weight, it is manageable to move about the home. It connects to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Its battery life runs up to 10 hours. It supports voice assistant. Number 3. Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3. With this model, you get 20 hours of listening time and stronger, punchier sound than with previous Ultimate Ears models. The waterproof speaker floats in the bath or pool even though it may be heavier than some other items on our list. You may play your favorite playlists from Apple Music or Deezer with only one swipe using the magic button. It's reasonably priced, and you can combine it with other Boom and Megaboom speakers to produce an even louder sound. It connects on Bluetooth. Its battery life runs up to 20 hours. Its Bluetooth range goes up to 45 meters. It supports no voice assistant. With its dimensions of 22.5 by 8.7 by 8.7 centimeters, it weighs 925 grams. Number 2. Bang & Olufsen Beosound A1 2nd Generation. Despite being one of the smallest portable speakers in the Bang & Olufsen lineup, it nonetheless produces a powerful, clean sound with strong bass. You may use it outdoors since it has a carry strap, a luxury feel, and it is splash-proof. We particularly like the one-touch button, which automatically plays the last song you listened to while connecting the speaker to the device it was previously connected to. This is pretty a sensible investment. It connects to Bluetooth and USB-C. Its battery life runs up to 18 hours. Its speaker output is 280 watts. It supports Alexa. With its dimensions of 13.3 by 4.6 by 13.3, it weighs 558 grams. Number 1. Our best overall Bluetooth speaker is the Bose Portable Home Speaker. This is the top-tier portable speaker from Bose, with plenty of punchy and strong bass. It is also fashionable and water and drop proof. We like the 360-degree design since it ensures that everyone in the room has an identical listening experience. Even better, it functions as a smart speaker. It has Bluetooth and 3.5mm audio. Its battery life holds up to 15 hours. It supports voice assistants.